Okay, so I decided to split this next lesson up into two videos so they wouldn't be so long, because those other ones were like 10-11 minutes long. And actually the second part might be a little bit longer, but maybe not. Okay, so there's going to be some practice. So this is equation, slope, and y-intercept practice. So what this is doing is it's putting a whole bunch of stuff together that we've already done. You're going to practice getting y by itself, determining slope and the y-intercept from equations, and writing equations of lines using slope, y-intercept, and points. All the stuff that we've been doing all along, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is get y by itself. And after we do that, we're going to determine the slope and the y-intercept of each function. So not only do you have to solve for y, you have to pull out the slope and the y-intercept. And we've been doing that, guys. So let's take this 4x plus 5y equals negative 10. And solve for y. So I'm going to leave my 5y over here. Negative 10. I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. Subtract it from over here, it goes away, right? I'm going to divide everything by 5. All right, so I have y equals negative 10 divided by 5 is a negative 2. And then that does not simplify anymore. So I have a negative 4 over 5x. Fix this. I always do that. Make that pretty. Hard to do on this thing. Okay, so out of this, we have, and I'm going to put it in order here with the slope first. So I have a negative 4 over 5x minus 2. So my slope is negative 4 over 5. My y-intercept is all by itself over there with the negative 2. Okay, not too bad, right? Good. Okay, let's do this one. Let's switch colors. Go to green. 2x minus y equals 1, right? Let's leave the y over here on the side. Don't forget your minus or negative. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides, right? Minus 2x. I subtracted over here. Look, I'll put it over here. So for those of you, Miss Brown, you've been subtracting it all along. Why are you quitting? Well, I'm just taking a shortcut, guys. All right, so remember, this is, there's still something attached to it. It's a negative 1. If I divide everything by negative 1, all I'm doing, all of these signs change. When you divide by negative 1, every sign changes. So that negative y is now positive y. Positive 1 is now a negative 1, because 1 divided by negative 1 is negative 1. Negative 2x is now a positive 2x, because negative 2x divided by negative 1 is a positive 2x. Okay, so I'm going to put this in order here. My slope is going to go first, so that's 2x. And then my y-intercept is minus 1 or negative 1. So my slope is 2. What did I do wrong? I added that x there. X's break your heart, remember. All right, breaks mine whenever someone says that x isn't part of the slope. Slope is just a number. All right, so then my y-intercept is negative 1. Okay. Now, I want you to do number 3 and 4. Yes, you can do that. All right, take what I just did up here, and y'all apply it down here. 3 and 4. You're not going to do one and then the other. So I'm going to reveal both of those at the same time. So do both of them. Pause your video, and then come back, and you will find the answer and see how you did. Okay. So, look at number 3. So we have x plus 2y equals a negative 8. The first thing I did is I subtracted x from both sides. Okay, I'm putting it over here. That's how I got this. Minus, and I'm going to go ahead and put that 1 there, minus 1x. All right. Then you have to go over here and divide everything by 2. So I have y equals negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. So I put that 1 there because that's our problem child problem. Remember? That's the one where we go, oh, what happens? What do I do there? I don't know. And magically it turns into a 2x. Negative x divided by 2 turns into 2x somehow. I don't know. Anyway, it's really a negative 1 over 2x. Okay, so then my slope is negative 1 over 2. The y-intercept is negative 4. Okay, and then number 4, we have x plus y equals 3. All right, and so then we subtract. Let me do this for y'all. Okay, subtract x from both sides. All right, so 0 over here, right? So I'm left with y. And I have 3 minus x. There's how I got the minus x over there. All right, how many of y'all right here put minus x there? How many of y'all put a 0 there? What number's in front of that x? Because that's really your slope. Yeah, it's a negative 1. Yep. And so your y-intercept is 3. Okay? All right. Let's move on. All right. So write an equation for the following problems using the given information. Equations can be in the y equals format or the point slope format. All right. So we're going to do, let's see. Excuse me. So we have an M and a B. What do you think we're going to put this one in? Well, if it's an M and a B, let's put it in the y equals mx plus b. Put it in that format. So we have y equals mx plus b. Let's replace the m with a 5 and the b with a minus 2. And we're done, right? Same thing over here. Y equals, we're not even going to write the first one, are we? Y equals 1/3 x. Do I have to write the plus 0? Nah. You don't have to write it. But if you want to, you can. You can write y equals 1/3 x plus 0. But remember, if you don't see it, what is your y-intercept? Yep, it's that 0. All right. That's it for this video. Check back for part 2. Because that way it's not 14 minutes long. All right. See you in a sec.